Right, hello everybody and welcome back. Well, it's not really back, I'm back. Just waiting for the world to load. Out here is going to be my tree farming farm. I'm going to have trees on the front here just to disguise the house. What else? Oh yeah, we were doing the flooring here, weren't we? I've got my proper mouse back. What did I say I was going to do? I said I was going to go mining after this, didn't I? Should be fun. Because this is like my living workspace. Wait, and then we're going to have like this. And then we'll make some stairs. Oh, you seen how fast I'm doing stuff now with my mouse? They don't slow. It's like 19th century. Nice day. Actually, I might have to be a stone bit at all. Fall down the hole. Fall down. Yes. There we go. Looking lovely already. This is looking nice. The bit that I can't wait for to do is making the basement where all the machinery goes. So we've got the nice stairs and the mine's going to be somewhere over there. So you get 5 diamonds and industrial credits. All that shit. Home sweet home. What sword do you have? I have diamond. Me. Right. So we're gonna store all the things and the stuff we need in the chest. I'm gonna have to make another chest. Yep. And we'll just have it, we're pushing this wall back, so just for now. We just need yours. Let's go mining till we find some ore. I built the mine shaft deliberately all the way down here, so we can have a bit more room. I was just mining and I was like, it's gonna be a long hard wait. What? No. Abandoned mine shafts. No, I'm getting one of these rails and we're gonna have to use wooden boost of it. Oh, schnizzles. Oh my god! I'm really glad they disabled creeper explosions. Woo! You look cool there. I'm not going to be going down into the mines again because I died the last time. We'll just stay, you know, in reach. some copper. We need lots of copper. Yeah, Mr. Creeper, do you actually blow up? Ha ha lol. Oh my god, another one. Live from Creeper Central! Oh god, how many do you want? Oh my god. Ooh. Oh god, eeny meeny miny mo. God, there's loads. Which one looks more tempting? Good. Right. So we know that this is the way out. That's silver. Yeah, we got the O's. We got the O's, like Jagger. Ooh, look at all these lovely sapphires and. Oh, and it ends. Well, you know which one was the quickest route. Oh, lovely irons. Right. So after we've did all this mining, we should be good after this mining adventure. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh. I got some skills to pay your bills. Silver's pretty rare actually, isn't it? Oh, hello, Mr. Zombie. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm doing fine. Might take a bit of a string. Why does this look different, or is it just me? No, it's just me. Oh, it looks really good on that. Ooh, I like this. This is what I like. Yummy. I mean, we've got loads of coal. And I've never saw this much coal. This must be a coal mine. Dun dun. Sorry. Right, that ends. Oh my god, let's not run. Running is bad at this stage because I'm not in a very good. What's happening to the lights? these are meant to be on. They shall stay on. There we go. Debating whether or not to go that way or split. I'm going to split. This will be a bit more adventurous. Adventures this way. Ow! God, what was that? Was that zombie that hit? Ooh, that hurt. You know what I'm going to do actually? I'm going to go to rate cancel. I'm going to go full stop and then I'm going to put death points enabled on. So if I die, that means I can see where I actually died and where I'll have to go back to. So yeah, that's pretty neat. That's Ray's minimap, I think it is. A nice little feature, you know. Yeah. Right, I think I'm gonna go back because no matter look I'll most probably die. But it does look actually quite nice out here now. Mob infestation is stopped. Well, we do have a few creepy crawlies that try and come around here. About that, it's quite nice. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh well, you know. Hashtag whatever it is, whatever you want to hashtag. Facebook pages will be available for Pride Origin. Just so I'd let you know. Because, you know, I know you're dying to know on the Facebook page for Pride Origin comes out. I mean, who isn't? I mean, I'm sitting here like wetting myself to try and know when Pride Origin's webpage. That'll be done by me. Yeah, shit. And I don't know when I'm gonna get round to it. Another spare minute on my editing today after I made this video. It stopped, it's all good. There we go. Ooh, rotten flesh, let's nom on that. Nom, oh, nom. It'll just be cannibal. Redstone I've got iron, which I need. Come on, I'm going to cook on that. Take all of these things. Pinch a bit of water. See, I can't pinch any water. I'm gonna have to cut off this source for mankind. Yes, I did it. Right, now take me swiftly down. Or not. Woo! The waterfall has stopped flowing. R.I.P. waterfall. R.I.P. waterfall. Oh! Sugar! I'm gonna do that. Hello! Oh, thank God you didn't explode. That could have been, okay, let's just, as well nick your stuff, it's fine. That was scary. I just turned around, there's a creeper there. My house doesn't look much at the minute. I'm gonna try, actually, and make it, where is it? Upstairs, downstairs, basement. Just gonna stand there and eat control food. This is as someone's broken. Broken you. So you can get away in that. That doesn't look noticeable one bit actually, now that I come to think of it. That just looks like a normal mountain. Yeah, look, it's fizzy particles. Right, anyway, we also came out here to slaughter some animals for my food supply, otherwise I will die. Ink sac, we're gonna make black wool, baby. No, you killed Mr. Squid. Right, now I'm gonna eat you. What did you give me? You give me some meat. Oh, sugar cane. Woo! I might make a cake if I get her an egg. We want some nice wool. Want some nice wool in our house. That's if we can find a sheep. If we find a sheep, now we've never played the shears, so we can get some vines. What the flip's that? There's a massive explosion in the floor, yeah, casually. As you do. I nearly burst out in the boiling water. I shall fight your fire. I think I've got some oh, look at that. Look at that. That's so perfect. You. I'm gonna see what shiznit's about here to see if I can find